Hey everybody, happy Saturday or whatever day it is that you're watching this. Hope you're having a great day. So it's Saturday now, and I want to do a video and talk about how I've moved some of my Waiter Holdings profits over to ALZN, which is a all-timers stock. And it's a swing play. It won't be anything that I stay in for a really long time, I don't think. But it is something that I'm in now. The reason I have done this is because it looks like, looking at Waiter right now, as best as I can tell from looking at the chart, is it is probably either going to go down just a little bit or trade sideways. And I think that trading sideways will put it between a 140-ish range to probably a 170, upper 170 range on the trading per share. And I think it'll do this until there is some decent news that comes from the company, or bad news, which I hope doesn't happen, to bring it down. And I don't think it will go down a whole bunch more than where it's at, but I do think it's going to trade sideways until the company comes out with news. Whenever I say the company should come out with news, I say that they should put more attention on that. All the verticals, everything that it has going on, we need updates on this, and we need updates like yesterday. We had an earnings report, but there was no real updates on where all of this stands. I still believe in the company. I'm not giving up on the company. I think that they have a great future, either in being a growth company, turnaround company, or getting bought out. But until bigger news comes out, the stock is probably going to stay in this range because it's going to take something more to get it above the $2 mark. And so for the time being, I'm going to be using my money to, like, I have money there, but I'm going to be using some of my profits from Waiter Holdings to do some swing trades. Why'd they get it out of focus? Okay, to do some swing trades and do some swing trades and maybe find other things that I can also invest in for a short amount of time. Maybe even do some day trades. But for the time being, I am putting some of the money from Waiter Holdings into, or I have put some of the money from Waiter Holdings into stocks and options for ALZN. The reason being that ALZN has had some news come out, and they've kind of been beaten up too. Like, they were at like 30 something, and now they're down to 299, in between 290 and 3. And they've gotten attention from Mr. Zach Morris on Twitter. And also let's see here. Let me pull this up really quick. Sorry about delay. Let's go here. All right, if you look here, they had Univest Securities initiating a buy target of $15 and giving a great, this is not my research report, this is their research report, that breaks down basically everything. Why is this not? I'm going to post this on Twitter, so it'll be on my Twitter. Why it's not there we are. So it is, I believe, 26 pages of a report. It's a lot of pages, and it breaks down everything on why they gave it a $15 price target. Their $15 price target puts it at a 1x multiple to their discounted cash flow analysis of $14.81 per share. They just rounded up to the 15. I personally don't know that it's going to get to 15 really quick, but it could. We don't know. There's no way of telling, but I do think that it could very quickly go to 5 or 6. So I have gotten into options and bought some shares. Let's look at also, we can go here. If you go to the SEC Gov site and look up this company, you can see that there's ownership disclosures. These ownership disclosures, starting, well, we'll go to November 4th. Alt Milton, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, has 100,000 shares, 250,000 shares. This person also owns 41% total of the company, and they are doing call options, right to buy. So they are doing call options for next year in May, and they bought 5,000 shares worth. They bought another 10,000 shares worth, both of the 250 strike price. Then for 218, which is February next year, they have bought the 250 strike price for call options, 40,000 and 102,000. So within the next few months, because it's November now, so was that 3 months? They are saying that the stock price, they believe the stock price will go to 250, beyond 250 a share. I believe that as well. And then they've also bought 40,000 shares worth of the $10 price, strike price, and 750 strike price. They got 5,000 shares worth. So they're betting that, yes, this is going to go up a lot, or a decent amount, and I believe that as well. I think, personally, let's see here, pull this up. I think personally that within probably the next month or so, because this has the attention of Mr. Zach Morris on Twitter, I do believe that it will probably go to, my guess is between like 5 and 6 pretty quickly. Again, that's just my opinion. Take it for what you will. Just with all the news on it, the report saying that they have an initiation price target of 15. The fact that the stock is at just $3 right now, I believe that it can pretty quickly go to 5 or 6 in a swing trade. Once it gets close to that, gets around that, I will then take my profits and probably put them right back into Wader. Because like I said, Wader Holdings is a company I believe in, and I think for a little bit it's going to be trading sideways. I don't think it's going to have a massive increase. If it does, it does, but it's going to take a little bit to get over that $2 mark. So it kind of gives me some time to do a swing trade or two on the side. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. Okay, so I just wanted to give that update. I hope that everybody is doing well. I wish you luck if you are trading or investing. And I will see you very soon. I will tweet out that report today, here shortly. Okay, everybody have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.